Hello and welcome. This is the unboxing of the new Samsung Galaxy Book S. It is brand new on the market. You can see this is the actual mini laptop here. And of note is the fact that it does come with a USB wall charger. That's right. Gone are the days of the big block that you have to plug a laptop into. And it does come with a pre-installed SIM card. So this does function off of your traditional cell phone towers. So you can actually use it that way, which traditional laptops you usually can't do. So this has many qualities of a tablet, but the functionality, as you can see, Windows 10 is on here, of a traditional laptop. Okay, so this is what it looks like when we open the box up. It's in this nice little sleeve here. You can see, look how thin that is. This is it next to my fingers. Very thin. I'm going to take this, oh, well, let's see here. So this is the charger, USB typical block. Looks like we have some instructions in here. This is a converter to make any USB plug into the USB-C, and yeah, that's going to be the cord. I did figure out the reason they have the USB-C port that converts to a traditional USB. It's because both sides over here and over here have a USB-C port. So what that means is there is no traditional USB port. So it does come with this, so you can basically create your own USB port. The nice thing is that means that you can plug in your cord on left or right side, which is very handy for those out there that happen to be left-handed and prefer it one way, or just perhaps your workspace is set up differently. Now, let's note this is very, very, very slim. To note just how slim this is, sorry, actually less than half an inch. That's really slim. It also is super, super light. So one cool thing about this, and I haven't actually started it up yet, but it does have this neat fingerprint power button. So what that means is when you go to start it and press power, it'll read your fingerprint. Now, I haven't registered anything to it yet, so it is starting up for the very first time. Let's go ahead and look at the keys. So these, although they are not super high, they're definitely tactile. You can feel where they are. It has your traditional bump on the F key. And this little nodule right here makes it really easy to just stick your thumb or finger in there and pull up the top of the laptop. However, it does not lock together like some of the old laptops did, where you had a lock that keeps it closed. It does seem like
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you
get it set up, and I'll be right back. Okay, I just wanted to make note of a few things while it's finishing setup. It does have a touch screen. It has a headset jack on the left-hand side. The USB-C charging port is on the left and the right-hand side. And there are speakers, very slim speakers at the bottom. And let's see, and of course the fingerprint scanner we pointed out right there. On the underside, you have the pre-installed SIM and micro SD card tray. So you can put a micro SD card, I believe, up to 1 terabyte into it, which is really handy. So that's on the underside. It's not taking up any slots on the sides like often happens. All right, so I am going to, so actually it looks like it is pretty well set up here. So everything looks pretty simple. You can link a pin. Oh no, you can access notes. That's what that is. It doesn't have a whole lot of extra stuff installed. You can see there's not a ton of stuff other than the essentials, and I'll get my Chrome and whatnot put on. But it is fully set up just like a traditional laptop. It's much more like a laptop than a tablet.